Hello friends. Welcome to CF Bangla Tech new video. Today in this video we will see how to enable internet speed meter into your PC. So let's start the video. Download the file from video description. Turn off your Windows Defender real-time protection. Right-click and extract the file. Right-click and select Run as Administration, or simply double-click the file. Click Next. Check the box, then Next. Click Next. Click Yes. Uncheck the box, then Finish. Click the Windows Start button. Then right-click and open File Location. Right-click and again open File Location. Copy or cut the file. Paste them into the DU root folder. Double-click the file. Click Yes. Then OK. Open dometer.exe. Check the box, then Next. 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 Click Skip. Check the box, then click Finish. Click Yes. Now you will see internet speed meter in your PC taskbar. Click Data Units and Time Periods. Change data transferred units to bytes per second. That's it. Now click Apply, then OK. Thank you so much for watching the video.